am hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. And how's it feel, Neil? You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. What's going on, you guys? Just doing some trading action over here, if you will. I'm just doing this challenge, and I figured why not live stream it. I already did one trade, not off camera. I was technically on camera, but this doesn't look too good. I might adjust. Thoughts on Ledger? Hold on. Let me put this on my face real quick. Thoughts on Ledger is I didn't do it the way that. So there's like, I need to do more research on this, but the way that I understand it is if you do your seed phrase, it puts you at some sort of security risk. But I never did it that way. So for me, it's fine, but for you, it might not be. The way that I did it was doing my 24 passcode or whatever. Everyone's situation is gonna be different. Yeah, I'm just trying to fix this because it looked like crap. Damn it. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. There we go. Alright, cool. There we go. Looks a lot better. But yeah, that is sort of my thoughts on it. With what's going on with Ledger. There was some sort of backdoor way that you could get in. I believe it was through the like sort of shortcut way of doing things or whatever. The seed phrase, but I didn't do mine that way. I did mine via the 24 key password, and that's how I've always done it, and that's how I will continue to do it. I'm gonna do some more research on that. Damn it, I didn't mean to do that. Why, bro? What the fuck? Are you kidding me, bro? For real? There we go. Oh no. I don't want that. Bro, did it really just like delete my freaking thing? Alright. Your boy is not starting out good here. Let's do window capture. We're gonna add OBS. Let's try this freaking one more time. There we go. Says, yo, Ledger no longer good. I don't know. I need to do some more research on that. But there's some sort of backdoor way of getting in via some sort of backdoor way of getting in. What up, Ski? What is up? Facts over feelings. What is up? People are losing their phrases all the time. See, I don't do it that way. I just do my 24, passcode or whatever. That's the way that I do it. But I think if you do it that way, the way that I understand it, you're fine. I think it's the seed phrase. But we'll see. I'm gonna do some more research on that, but I'll get back with you guys on that. But the way that I understand it, you're fine unless you did the seed phrase, which I don't do it that way. It's all FUD. Yeah, that's sort of how I'm leaning towards as well. The phrases are different than your 24 key passcodes. There's like a shortcut that you can do instead of typing in 24 keys or whatever each and every time. Current number one Best Buy, probably XRP. I mean, Hex, honestly, if you like Hex, it was down a lot. So that's probably the best sale as far as like a major coin. So right now, guys, I'm doing the $10 Matic. Yeah, Matic looked good. Like everything is good relatively, you know? Everything is good relatively, but Hex is probably the biggest. 3.19 cents. Hex is down 44% on the week. And then beyond that, XTC is down 10% on the week. So those two, Chronos, Polygon, yeah. H-bar is down. Those are probably the best major coin deals. So what I'm doing right now, guys, I did a trade earlier. This is a little update on the micro portfolio. We're now at 39,474 Satoshis. Today I started at 39,164 and at $10.67. So I think I'm up 16% on US dollars and 19% on Satoshis. This is day number 4. I'll go over like my past trades. Did I not close this out? No way. It's telling me I didn't close this out, but I know that I did. Okay, I was about to say. Alright, so let's take a look at the trade for today that I did. Let's sort it. So here's all the trades that I've done on the micro. But today I opened a short at 27.15 and closed it at 26.966 with a, dude, what, 9-cent commission. That's crazy. I only got 5 cents on that. That sucks. You gotta do these limit orders, man. That's what's gonna kill me though. But yeah, I figured I'd just like sort of document this instead of doing it you know, hindsight or whatever. It's looking really bullish on the 3-minute right now. Getting a bear up, cross up, and then so we've already done. I don't even know if I'm going to enter anymore. But what I've been doing that's been successful for me is like these big sell-offs is re-entering into like a dead cat bounce. Like those have been, well, more like this. Those have been my best trades, as well as doing the these Elliott waves. I'm doing like my typical like Fibonacci's, all that stuff. I'm not a day trader. It's not what I do. It's just a challenge that I have. I'm up 20% on the week. Have you checked out Monkeys? I haven't. Should I check out Monkeys? Everyone's been talking about monkeys. Monkey's token is fire. Is this it right here? The background music is lit. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, Crypto Mike changed his profile picture to it. So what we got here? Self-reporting supply is 500 trillion. That's insane. What is the market cap? 26 million. This thing's had a pretty big sell-off. Getting listed on MEXC tomorrow. Could be some volatility. Actually, I think in the micro or the macro. Uh-oh. In the macro, I actually think that so I was sort of biased towards 25,300, like that range sort of getting filled out. It almost seems like it was the micro spring bringing us to the next leg, to the upside. Like we're clear out of the full moon energy now. Certainly like heading into the new moon energy. But we'll see. This is getting pretty bullish on the 3 minute right now. On the 1 minute, still in an uptrend. I've really been liking this indicator right here. It's been pretty damn good at the trend reversal. It's called RB-Rev. It's these little green and red arrows. But what it does is it identifies a trend reversal. And it's been pretty accurate. So I've been using that a lot on this little micro account. The Voice of Freedom says, I've heard a lot about the moon cycle energy, but can you explain it a little more, please? You know, for thousands of years, so getting a bar down on the 3 minute here. For thousands of years, farmers planted their seeds based on the moon. Our original calendar, like the Hebrew calendar, was completely based on the moon, which is why they call them months, as in moons, as in 28 days in a moon cycle, as in like females have 28 days in their menstrual cycle. They have the same thing too. It's like they have a ovulation window and a heavy window. It's the same thing, but it literally aligns perfectly with the original Hebrew calendar, which had 13 months, 28 days, and 4 weeks. But essentially, the idea is the full moon is typically not like on the day, this will happen, but just an energy of window to be sort of biased towards. But typically the full moon is the bearish time of the month, and typically the new moon is the bullish cycles. And there's even an indicator on charts. Let me get off this. Let me get on this chart. Let me go on. Let's go on the daily. There's even an indicator. Boom, right there, moon phases. Why is it an indicator on these charts? Like, I didn't make this up. You know what I mean? I didn't make these moon phases up, but we're about to go into the new moon right now. All right, let me go back. All right, so he says, will JP Morgan fail or only small banks? Like, is it big bank gobble up? So yeah, I think it's the opposite, actually, is what I think. So what we're seeing right now is the regional banks are sort of failing and falling by the wayside, and they're getting gobbled up by the bigger banks. And that's just what that really is just to bring us sort of one step closer to CBDCs and all these different things. That's sort of the reason, in my opinion. Because what happens is, like, the more that these small banks sort of fail, the less choice you have. And then eventually there's just going to be, 100 banks. And then eventually there's just going to be 50 banks, and then there'll be 20, and then there'll be 5, and then there'll be 3, and then it'll be CBDCs, and you have to do what they want you to do, or you're not going to get any food, or you're not going to be able to use their money. Filano, what is up, bro? Um... 61P5Y says, what edge are you using on the top chart? So this is my layout. I'll just explain what I'm looking at. I don't think I'm going to do any more trades, but essentially what I'm doing is day trading $10 to $1,000 is sort of the goal. But on the top is the 1 minute right here, and the bottom left is the 3 minute. The middle is the 22 minute, and then the bottom right is the 2 hour chart. Okay. And the main indicators that I'm sort of looking at, I have an auto Elliott wave fib, which it's not a perfect science, but it gives you a good generality. I have the moving averages right here on the 3 minute. And I have a Fibonacci pulled on the 22 minute, and I have the Bollinger Bands on the 2 hour, as well as all of them have the bar up bar down signal, as well as the I don't know where it went. Here it is. The RB Rev, which what that does is it's pretty good at indicating a trend reversal. No indicator is perfect. No indicator is like, okay, when this happens 100% of the time this is gonna happen, like never. However, like when you start stacking them in, you know, congruence together, you can sort of so right now what we're seeing is all of them all at the same time are having a bar up with a green reversal. So like that leads me to believe that, hey, this is you know, and we're in bullish posture right now. This leads me to believe that things are pretty bullish. So if we were to get above 27.52, like we're probably going to go to the top of the range even further. But again, nothing is like 100% of the time. You just have to go off of like the likelihoods. Big Stack, so he says they're outlawing CBDCs, aren't they? Like Texas is trying. So Florida has put it into law. Florida has put it into law, and Texas has put it into a bill. But as of right now, those are the only states that I'm aware of. The other 48 are not. And they're certainly, like, federally, that's what they're trying to do. It's your boy, Ski. What is up? Jibbin? Friday, what's up, bro? Also, a new standard for crypto stocks rigs called 27001. Just heard about it. I've never heard about it. Let me fix my phone. I'm doing well. Edward says we just got scammed on monkeys. What's your feeling on SACE? Are you mean like Sauce? Gonna go lower? Sauce is gonna do pretty much whatever H-Bar's doing. The Voice of Freedom says Texas, Florida, Alabama, and Tennessee are against the CBDC, but only Florida has passed a law. And even if they all pass a law, that's really like very much a minority of the states. Do you buy any Myra token? No, I don't. Can we drop projects, or are we not doing that today? You can. I mean, I'm just like sort of just hanging out. Like I did one trade earlier in the micro account, and I'm sort of just waiting for a good setup to do another one, but I'm just chilling. So yeah, like I could easily pull up another Jake says, hey, what up, bro? Can you tell me about Myra token? I don't know anything about Myra token. The MEXC listing, I'm expecting a big pump and dump for monkeys. I got in at 1 mil market cap. Let's go. Just waiting for that 25K. We like briefly hit 25K, but it didn't live there. And I went over like two possibilities. So we're getting a big sell on the 3-minute here. Two possibilities. The one, let me go back to the let me go into the micro. We'll do some TA on the macro. I mean, all right. So the two sort of possibilities that I was looking at on the macro, I said that we needed to fill this out, but this moment could have been similar to this right here. Sort of a micro spring. And we'll see. We haven't got above this 20. Like, we really need to be getting body closes above, 27,300 in order for this to be the scenario. Sort of a micro spring, but with us kind of flirting at the top of the range, we're probably going to fill this. But yeah, basically the two scenarios are we're either going to fill out this gap right here, or this is going to be a micro or medium sort of spring to bring us to the next leg higher. Those are basically the possibilities on what's going on right now. Possible trade on Algo up. Where you been, bro? I've been around. All right, let's get back to oh, so we just got to bear down. Just missed that one. Or not a bear down, but a red reversal here. Oh, that's because I'm on the daily, duh. Yeah, I'm more like, my original thesis was I'm sort of like biased towards us filling out the range to 25,300, but I do see a scenario where, okay, so we just got a trend reversal printed right here, as well as a bear down, or bar down. I keep calling it bear. We'll see. Bar down on the 3-minute as well, and losing steam on the 22. Bar up on the 2-hour though. Says I wish I would have bought Monkey in April. I mean Pepe. Yeah, basically the two like macro things that I'm seeing for Bitcoin is either we're gonna fill out the 25,300 gap, or we're going to have a macro medium sort of spring to bring us into the higher leg. Possible trade up on Algo. I mean, I like Algo, but I'm just trading Bitcoin right now. The only things that I can even trade on Margex is There's only like a couple. So Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin, Litecoin, EOS, ADA. So they looks like they've added some. Matic. There was only like 5 when I first started using this. XMR, Mana, Sushi. Pepe Bridge on Algo. Interesting. Bar up. So I might put in a limit order here at 27.42. He says, I'm at the height of luxury. Eating fish sticks and watching charts. Let's go. Alright, so let's do that. I'm going to put in a short here. Let me see. Let me double check this. Bar down. Let me pull a fib. I'm going to do, yeah, let's do it. 27.44. What we're gonna do. Oh shit. And then we're going to put a stop loss on that at the 2618 here. We'll put it at the 1618. 27. Put it at 2758. What I don't like about this website is you have to put in the stop loss after, which is stupid. Oh, no, no, no. Put it at 70. Right there. So it looks like we got triggered. Alright, let me delete this fib. Then I'm gonna put my take profit at 26,990. All right. Should have put it at the 2618. That's okay. Big bar up on the 3 minute here. But we're getting close to the 382 again. Zero fees. Josh says, hey bro, hope all is well. What is up, bro? Hey crew, what up, Phil? So I'm shorting right now. But because there's a big bit of a huge like level right here. We could break through it. There we go. Red candle here. So yeah, I'm shorting right now. I'll just go over my order. Boom, look at that. Top of the range. Let's go. So we were at the top of the range. Damn, that was a big candle. I got in right here at a short of 27.40, and we're currently at $27,040. And then we have our take profit at 26,990. That's a lot of steam though. We might ride it a little bit longer. I might move my stop loss down and just ride it a little bit to the downside. We'll see. Big sell off, big candle. Let's go. So yeah, we were at the top of the range. So this is a few. Let me just run you like through why I went through this trade. So we had this trend reversal right here, as well as getting to the 1618 and this huge level of resistance back here, as well as on the 22 minute getting at the 382. All right, so we're getting a bar down below the trend reversal here. Is that a buy and sell indicator? Yeah. What asset is this on? This is on Bitcoin. I just put a short on Bitcoin. Big candle through on the 3 minute here, getting another bar down. Bar down on the 1 minute, on the 3 minute. What I would like to see, so I'm probably going to close this thing out. Well, we're getting below. If we get below this wick, I'm going to let this ride down to 26.90. Yeah. Right in here. That's where I put my take profit anyway. So I'm just going to let that. All right, so we'll look at what we're at right now. Currently up 1.25% on this trade, up 10 cents. It's a micro account. Do I have to pay for the indicator? No. I mean, like, it depends on what you know, what your account is. Like, I have a paid account on TradingView. All right, so, like, let's see. I think I actually want to move my stop loss down. I'm going to move it down to 27.48. And then, all right, so that was a pretty big sell-off there. We're kind of in no man's land on the 2 hour. We're getting a bar up on the 2 hour. One month premium for $1. Let's go. Yo, Gunnar Wilson, what is up? All right, so the indicators that I'm using right now, I'm using Elliott Wave. On the 1 minute, I have Elliott Wave. I have RB underscore Rev, which is these right here. Let me just highlight them and unhighlight them for you so you can see them. And what that does is it shows a trend reversal. Pretty, like, nothing is 100% of the time, but it does it pretty well. And then the bar up down strategy, again, nothing is 100%. I've seen this thing be wrong a lot, actually, the bar up bar down, but what I like to do with it is just have it as a sort of bias. If we're in an uptrend and I get a bar down, I kind of ignore it, and if we're in a downtrend I get a bar down, then it holds more weight to me. But no indicator is like, when this indicator happens, it's you know, perfect. You know, nothing is like that. It's all about risk management, but we're getting it across. So, and then on the 3 minute, I had the moving averages. And what I like now, we're getting it across to the downside, which is good for me right now in this particular moment because I have a short, an active short. And then on the 22 minute, I have the bar up, bar down, and the Fibonacci. And then on the 2 hour, I have the Bollinger Bands. So those are all the indicators that I'm using. I didn't get that indicator, the moving averages. And I have my moving average on, or MA ribbon. And I have them on 8, 21, 55, and 200. Yeah, bar up, bar down. It's just this one right here. It's on, you got to go to technicals and then strategies, and it's right. It's the first one. So just click indicators, click technicals, strategies, and it's the very top one. Bar up, bar down strategy. All right, this is looking good though. Oh, so it looks like I got closed out of my position. I was gonna ride it a little bit longer, but I had a tight stop loss, and I had a tight. So that's cool. So let me just refresh this. Yeah, so I got closed out of that position for a profit. It looks like position history will do. Yeah, so profit of 11 cents on that one, which again, this is a micro account. We're trying to trade $10 into $1,000. But that's good. Could have rode that a little bit longer, but that's fine. It's not about, like, you know. So the way that I use it, the Voice of Freedom, is sort of like a bias. Like if I recognize like this is an uptrend right here, right? Like, so we have like a clear uptrend. If I get a bar down on a uptrend, I kind of ignore it. But a bar up on an uptrend, like I put more weight on it. But what I like to do is put these in conjunction. So a trend reversal with the bar down, like this right here, like that's good. And these are lagging indicators, but what they are is like, you know, kind of confirmation, if you will. But I use a lot of like support, resistance, you know, all the basic stuff, Fibonacci's. I like trading after hours actually, because you're just trading against robots most of the time, rather than, you know, like the pros. So yeah, so what does that put us on the day? I would have liked to have rode this a little bit longer, but that's fine. Let's sort by date on the 16th. All right, so 2 trades, 11 cents and 5 cents. Again, this is a micro account. Let me just go to our like actual wallet here. So we started the day at 39,164 satoshis. Now I have 897. So we'll just do some quick math. This is what we started at the challenge at 33,038 satoshis, and now we're at 39,897, which puts us at 20% profit for day 4 thus far. And then in US dollars, we were at $9.16, and we're now at 1077. Oops. So 20.7 in satoshis and 17.5 in US dollars after day 4. But I don't think I'm done. I'm just kind of chilling, really. I'm not like pushing nothing. I'm just gonna do like just how I just did that last one. Like I'm just waiting for, you know, just sort of things to kind of show up. Says nice trade there. Thanks. Sorry, I can't find the indicator. It's just look. So click on indicators, and then you're going to go to technicals. It'll say indicators at the top. You need to go to strategies under technicals, and the very first one is that one. And I think on the day we're up. What are we up on the day on the total account? Let's see. 39,897. On the day we're up 2%, just under 2%. All right, I'm gonna zoom in for you. All right, we're gonna make this like uncomfortably big. All right, indicators, technicals, strategies, right here. BAR, very first one. Bar up DN strategy. That is the one. All right, so now like what I'm actually would like would be a dead cat bounce here. when you have a big sell-off like this, typically like this thing's gonna go to the 382. So let's see. So that would be like, but we don't know that this is the bottom of this little move right here. But the 382 would put you at 27.20. We're currently at 27. How about the pump for XRP? Is it pumping? Nice. XRP, in my opinion, is about to rip, to be honest. Yeah, XRP is the one that is up the highest right now in the last hour. Alright, so we're getting a bar up on this. Now keep in mind, this is still a downtrend. We've actually had two downtrends. And we have a downtrend on the 3 minute. This looks a little messy. But how you would play this, perhaps. We don't know where this is going to go. This could keep going. So, like, we're in a downtrend, right? We're getting a bar up. That's what I say. Like, I kind of ignore these bar ups. But, like, what I would like is to get confirmation that this trend is down. And I would like to play this to the 382, which would be 27.20. But we'll see. You don't want to be, like, a first mover on this thing. Because it's saying bar up, but now it's saying bar down. So, like I said, it's not 100%. Like, I see this all the time where it'll be one right after the other. But to the 382 is like... Yeah, it looks like that's where it's going to go. Nothing is perfect. There's no, like, there we go. To the 382, bar up. That's what it looks like it's going to hit. 382, 27, 20. Boom. I missed it, but that's fine. Actually went all the way to the 0.5. 702 actually. Big. Look at this 3 minute candle. Alright, so yeah, I missed that. I called that out, but I missed it. That's okay. Let's see if we get a trend reversal here. XRP getting hot, dominance dropping. Is it? Bitcoin dominance is at 46%. That's where it's been hanging out that I can remember. That's a huge candle on the 3 minute. Look at this 3 minute candle right here. All right, so this is still a downtrend until we get above 27.59. Let's see if we, what's the RSI at? 66. yeah, for 99% of people, myself included, buying and holding is the best strategy. I'm just doing a challenge, and I'm just documenting a challenge. That's it. And I just figured, like, instead of just doing it off camera, I might as well like live stream this anyways. All right, so we're getting a trend reversal that just popped up. So I like to use these two in conjunction. MACD and the RSI. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a day. Up 2% on the day. 20, almost 1% on the week. Not bad. This thing looks like it's like losing a bit of steam. This is really like at the 786 here. Like I don't have it on my chart, but that's what it is, the 786. Breaking through here. Yep, so this is a trend, looks like a confirmed trend reversal now. So we'll see if we can get a pullback. Probably get rejected off the 1618 here. 27,098. It could go higher though. The 2618 would be like a full breakout. 27,166. Damn, that's crazy. I didn't think it was gonna reverse like that, but I knew that like you typically have a pretty big, like it's pretty typical to have like this sort of dead cat bounce. We're going all the way to the 1618. This thing's running. Yeah, this is a confirmed trend reversal. Actually, we're above. Yeah, there's like not too much up all the way to the 2618. He said moon. Alright, yeah, I don't think I'm going to do any more trades tonight. I'm going to watch the Lakers game. I might hop back on here later, but I'll probably do this tomorrow if you guys like this, though. I'll probably just make shorts, like recapping what's going on here. But just to recap for you guys, I'm up 2% on the day, 21% on the week. Yeah, I think I'm going to get some food, and I'm going to watch the Lakers game. And, yeah, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. All my links are in the description. You guys can join the Discord. If you guys want, you can join the Patreon. I teach you guys my setups and, like, what I'm looking for stuff like that. But damn, we just had like a huge. This is nice. See you next time. All right, yeah. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.